Today we are going to talk about the problem of the energy crisis. The energy crisis briefly is a continuous increase in oil prices. This is forced due to the fact that oil reserves are running low. In order to discuss this problem, we have with us today three representatives of a leading oil and gas exploration company, Cairn Energy. Let's start with Mr. Ethan, who is going to talk today about the personal analysis of his company.
Let's start with the political aspect. Government increased taxes in order to decrease the dependence on oil.
What about the economical factors that influence your company?
The economic aspects of Cairn Energy and the other petroleum market companies are not really that much affected by the global recession. This is due to the fact that demand and supply for petrol and energy is very inelastic.
Now, what about the social factors that influence your company?
The social behaviour of people nowadays are that more and more people are environmentally aware and more against the use of petrol.
What about the new technologies that have been introduced over the last 20 years?
Due to the growth in technology, allows us to operate more efficiently than ever.
Now, what about the environmental impact of your?
Environmentally, we're very limited due to the lack of oil and gas in the world, which is increasing pressure on our company to operate efficiently.
Okay, now let's move to Mr. Ali, who is going to talk to us about the SWOT analysis of his company.
Some of our strengths at Cairn Energy are that we have resources around the world in places such as India, Greenland, Spain, Nepal and Albania, financial backing from powerhouses such as BlackRock and HSBC, and last year we made £674 million. Some weaknesses is that the fact we are yet to venture into renewable energy-based explorations. This is further compounded by a decreasing operating margin due to the sale of the Bangladesh oil fields. The oil supply, of course, will run out in between 40 and 50 years, so it is vital that we venture into non-renewable energy sources.
Now let's talk a little bit about the opportunities you have in further development or the threats you are posed within your market.
Okay. Currently, there is a growing energy demand in India where our sister company, Cairn India, is based. There are possibilities for investment and expansion, including looking for new oil and gas resources in Greenland. And to ensure long-term success, we must delve into renewable energy products achieved through inorganic growth. Some threats we face are, by expanding, we face risk of political interference and government legislation, including restrictions on drilling, expansion in foreign territories and acquisition of new contracts. Pressure from environmental groups is also a threat. Recently, Greenpeace halted operations in Greenland for over a week due to their continued presence in the area.
Now, in regards to the competitive framework, can you talk us about the management model that Cairn Energy uses?
Yeah, sure. Here at Cairn Energy, we follow the open systems model as we emphasise flexibility. We stress readiness and growth, and also resource acquisition.
Thank you, Mr. Link. That was all from our three guests, and see you all next week.